What happened?
Okay, we Googled the St. Cloud bars.
Okay.
Okay. We found St. Cloud nightlife.
Okay.
We found the press bar. We found red carpet.
Okay.
We found, what was the other one? It was authentic Irish music.
Rum Runners.
You know,
Rum
Rum
Runners.
Runners. We found, is that the comedy club?
Yep.
Right?
That's the comedy
Whatever.
And
We
you
landed
decided
here.
Trout was the place to go.
I found you guys on MySpace. We listened to it. I listened to like 4 songs.
And he fell in love.
What was the other
Awesome.
one? Defiance, or I forget the name of the songs, but I sat there and listened to like 5 songs, and I was like, it feels like a good vibe.
He actually knows
Nice.
every word
Right,
of those
you know,
5
yeah,
songs.
it
Nice.
felt like a good vibe,
You know
like
what?
a no drama vibe.
Okay.
And
Which
where?
is what we want.
So
you
we're
know?
in St. Cloud tonight, and where are you from
Right.
again?
Wilmer.
We're from
No, we're not from
Princeburg.
Wilmer.
Okay,
Princeburg.
so which is north of Wilmer.
Yeah.
We're
So
on the
these
ground.
guys
No,
came
south
all.
of Wilmer.
They're south of Wilmer.
Southwest
These guys
of
came
Wilmer.
all the way to see Trout.
Right, that's
from
right.
south of Wilmer.
That's right.
Yeehaw! Ah, see?
No, that's too Farmville.
So, oh, sorry.
We're not Farmville.
Thanks, you guys.